Let's do progress report on the shed. Oh dear. Waiting for tin. Run out of, it's way bigger than we thought. Do you remember me telling you, oh, the cat's just done a whoopsie in the garden, dig a hole? But we're so lucky, see, there was a tree here, dig the tree out, but there was something underground. Remember the hump? I thought there would be something really nasty, old building, old footings, old sheds, whatever. But we were lucky to get away with that. Really lucky. Yeah. This is a couple of boards to finish that off. Yeah. The doors. I can imagine a secret Reggie tube. I can in a few years, well, you know, in a while. There's a lovely straight wall here. So Steve, I can imagine a secret Reggie switch. You're going to put a bar in there and a secret Reggie switch here somewhere, somehow. Did you originally buy this for a wall, or did you originally buy this for a roof? So it was originally bought for the roof, but it ended up being used as a wall. Look, there's plenty of the water's going to drop off. That's going to be really nice across there. Along here is tech screws. Oh, is that what you've done? Use them to fix them in. Waterproof.
I know they shouldn't be in the groove there, but there's any way you can get it fixed.
Well, you can. It's a garden shed, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a garden shed. You got to make it with what you've got. It's okay having standards and you've got this and that, but it's all money. Yeah. Even I'm so surprised this has cost this much, Steve. Inflation. Wow. There was 300 quid in the concrete, wasn't there? How much did you pay? What were those sheets? These pretend asbestos. They're not asbestos, but they're, what was it called again? Concrete blocks. These were, you paid 100 and odd, and then you had some more. 100 for the tin.
And I think it was 200 for this.
Which brings us about halfway.
Yeah.
And this, I thought this was nearly 200.
Yeah.
What did you pay for the asbestos, remember?
I think it was 200.
200 for the asbestos sheets.
200 for that and 100 for that. Yeah.
The tin was like 100 quid, I remember, or 110 or something.
Something like that, yeah.
10 quid a sheet.
Was it 10 quid a sheet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or was it £15 a sheet? £10 a sheet?
The wood, the framing alone, what was the first batch of wood?
250.
250 for the first batch of wood.
Plus I went and got a second load for 120.
Which were these?
No.
Oh, second load of wood.
I've only bought some more of these.
Yeah.
And then I've just bought these.
And what were they?
They came to... These are quite cheap, 15 quid each.
Were they?
Yeah, I was quite surprised with that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
15, that was still 50, 60, 70, 75, 80 quid, wasn't it? Yeah. Obviously windows you can pick up.
Yeah.
Did you buy the doors? You got the doors.
You know, I got them.
Lucky to land on them.
Yeah.
Somebody took them out okay. Oh, what have you paid for this? It's going to be lined. 12.
120 quid there.
You like this? 120 quid here. You like these, don't you? They're really good. Hardwood.
Yeah.
Really nice. Material is crazy. And these are 7 by...
Yeah, but I like these.
7 by 4.
Cover it up. I don't know why you don't like it here.
Give it a light varnish. Give it some sort of varnish coating.
I just like that way. It says the carpenter choice then.
Yeah.
You know?
What was in the carpets?
It came from India.
This is packaging.
Yeah, it came from India apparently.
From
but
carpet.
It doesn't say India anywhere. Border free. Just border free. Whatever that means.
Wooden block, yeah. Premium quality guaranteed. ISO, so it's up to a certain standard. Certificated company. Yeah, what's this? WC. Ply and block board. WC. Oh, we might find that in Google. WC, ply and block board. Eco-friendly. Yeah. Isn't that? And there's how many of those?
12.
12.
Which ain't got enough.
Thing has swallowed so much material. You think, oh yeah, you know, a couple £100 here, a couple £100 there, the shed will be done. But it is, how many feet? What did you say? How many feet this way was it?
13 foot that way.
13 foot that way.
I ain't measured that one.
No, we measured. Right. 13 foot that way. Give me that. To the outside edge, you're gonna put the hammer where you're at. 16, yeah.
18 foot.
So it's 18 foot. Yeah. It's coming on really well. And most of it's Facebook purchases. eBay or Facebook?
Facebook, except for the wood.
Yeah, the wood was at the timber yard. The sheets were Facebook. Was that Facebook? Did you have to go far?
Yeah.
You've tried not to travel too far.
I brought that back from Kettering.
Oh, Kettering, but that was on the way from a job,
Yeah. Which is far.
which is, yeah.
Hour and a half away, isn't it?
Yeah. But there are firms throw this stuff away every day. There's firms out there. As a truck driver, I've been places.
Well, that's what they said. They don't throw it away. They store it. And also, man, they sell it all off.
Yeah, Christmas. Material stock. You know, things get moved in and shipped around and just a bit of, wow. Everything's money. Yeah, and the windows are great. The door, plastic. Well, you've got the glass for these and the glass for these. Oh, this is going to be lovely. Then here's going to be a turning area, isn't it? Somehow, some way.
No, put in a patio. Slabs.
Or a big
Slab here.
slab.
And then down here,
Slab there.
slate.
Slate. Oh yeah.
Slate path going down there.
Yeah, slate path. Because even that's going to take material. Shit. You know, tons and tons of bags of wheeling. But at least if you start here, the trip will get shorter as you go along.
Yeah.
Don't start there, it'll get longer.
But at least I can get the trike down there, can't I?
Yeah. But you'll need some way of... Because you can't back it up all that length in here. You'll need to come in here, back in there.
So I'm going to put this.
Or-
Because the sun's here at night time.
Oh yeah.
This is where we were sitting last night out here.
Yeah.
There's no sun there, look.
Oh no.
Yeah, so this is where we're going to be sitting in the night time, isn't it? Up
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Oh yeah, because it's... where's south? Yeah. Looking brilliant, look. Wow, a lot of work. It's been a lot of work. You've been at it most nights, haven't you? Every night. 1 or 2 nights off.
2 nights when I fell out the bar.
Yeah. Oh, that's with cracked ribs. This is with cracked ribs. So, wow, it's going to be fantastic. And of course, it's going to have an internal wall in it.
Yeah.
We're going to put an internal wall to help its strength and to be able to stuff. And the benches we'll put benches all around. Stephen will put benches all around. Yeah. Wow. But, you know, the first idea is, right, let's see what's in the skips, see if we can make a shed out of what you scavenge out the skips. Don't happen anymore, does it?